going to be similar now with breach notification? You have, 48 slightly differently worded responsibilities when you have a breach. Do you think similarly that these states aren't adopting any one model? So.
Yeah, I mean, we definitely see some states that are sort of doing more following like the CCPA, but then some are not. So like there's one proposal in New York for a data fiduciary obligation, which is brand new. Worldwide, it's brand new. It's not like anything. There's no country that has a data fiduciary duty.
And explain a little bit, what would that mean?
It's a really good question. but what essentially what it says is that a company has a fiduciary duty to the user in terms of how they're using data, and that trumps any other duty, like to stockholders or to shareholders, or to other constituencies. So you have this fiduciary duty with respect to data, which again, really hard to think about how that would really work in terms of all the other obligations that organizations have. But that's like way outside thinking. That's not the CCPA model, and it's not even the GDPR model. That's new.
It's interesting the conflicting trends you see out here too, because in the security space, there's many of the topics out here on authentication.
Right.
How do I figure out that the user is who they say they are?
Right.
Now that would, in some respects, have increased linkages between things like IP address and actual individuals, but then that's going to have consequences in terms of your responsibilities.
Well, and you definitely, from a privacy perspective, as opposed to a security perspective, from a privacy perspective, you don't want companies to collect more than they need, right? That's what every privacy law says, is only collect the information you really need to accomplish the purpose that you're trying to accomplish. From a security perspective, right, you want more information so that you can authenticate, so you really know that is really John.
Right.
And so it's absolutely disparate tensions there between the privacy and the security on that side.